Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Lexmark device. I have Lexmark MB2236 series. I have I, and now I'm gonna show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So if you have keyboard language on any other language, then it's not English. So sometimes you need to change it to the English. So how to do it? So first you need to open settings, then you need to choose device, then scroll down. You need to choose preferences, then scroll down, and here you will see keyboard in the preferences. Find keyboard here, find keyboard type, and here you can change the language of your keyboard. For example, I will use Chinese keyboard, and for example, now when I will enter something, I will use, for example, as you can see, Chinese keyboard. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.